Hello everybody, welcome to the Naylor Cooking Show. Today we're going to be learning how to make brownies. So first you need the mix. You're going to need your nice conventional 13 by 9 pan, a measuring cup, a large bowl, some vegetable oil or canola oil. Those can be intermixed. And last, you're going to need 2 eggs. I prefer large eggs. You can do medium, small. You can go pick eggs if you have chickens. But that's all you need to get your brownies started. We'll get a 1/4 cup of water. Pour that in as well. Then we'll go on to the vegetable oil, where you'll need 2/3 of a cup. Don't be afraid to make a mess. If you ain't making a mess, you ain't cooking. Like it says, 2/3 a cup of oil. And then you mix. If your arm gets tired, ask for assistance. The next step is to pour in your batter. Sometimes it gets a little stuck. Don't be afraid to scoop it out. The next step is to bake at 350 degrees in your conventional oven for 30 minutes. Ooh, that's hot. After 30 minutes of cooking, you have your finished product, brownies.